Welcome to our channel. Installing mods transforms Minecraft Java Edition with new features, blocks, mobs, and gameplay mechanics. Follow these step-by-step instructions to install Forge and add mods to your game. Step 1. Visit the official Forge website at files.minecraftforge.net and select the Minecraft version that matches your game. Most mods require specific Minecraft versions to function properly. Step 2. Download the Forge installer for your chosen version. Click the installer button under the recommended or latest version and wait for the download to complete. Step 3. Run the Forge installer by double-clicking the downloaded file. Select Install Client and choose your Minecraft installation directory, typically located in your user folder under appdata/roaming/.minecraft. Step 4. Click OK to install Forge. The installer will download required files and set up the Forge profile in your Minecraft launcher. This process takes 1 times 2 minutes. Step 5. Open the Minecraft launcher and select the Forge profile from the drop-down menu in the bottom left corner. Launch the game once to create necessary folders. Step 6. Download mods from trusted sources like CurseForge or Modrinth. Ensure mods match your Forge and Minecraft version to avoid crashes or compatibility issues. Step 7. Locate your Minecraft installation folder by pressing Windows+R, typing %appdata%/.minecraft, and pressing Enter. Find the mods folder created by Forge. Step 8. Copy downloaded mod files jar format into the mods folder. Launch Minecraft with the Forge profile to load your mods. Check the mods menu in-game to confirm successful installation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.